How to select bubble versus smart pop-up on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here, so click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on Notifications. So you will see notifications is here. So click on Notifications. Now here, so click on Advanced Settings. So after click on Advanced Settings, click on Floating Notification. So after click on Floating Notification, so you will see bubbles and smart pop-up view is here. So if you want to select bubbles, so click on bubbles. So if you want to adjust and select smart pop-up view, so click on smart pop-up view. So after selecting bubbles and smart pop-up view, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can select bubbles versus smart pop-up on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.